October 31st, year 2017. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear Earth Angels, there are so many distractions in the world, my daughters. Some of these are self-inflicted, and others are brought about by circumstances not of one's own making. Yet regardless of what the distractions may be, my children are free to choose how they respond. How one responds then will either produce positive energy or negative. All are responsible for the energy they exude. Webster defines exude as to display strong emotions. When you connect with another, you must take responsibility for your own emotions and how you personally interact with one another. Too often, one's emotions are influenced by how others relate to oneself. In essence, the energy we emit is reflected and affected by the energy of others. This energy is not always reflected in words, for often it is expressed in actions. You are thinking a smile begets a smile, and so it is. A frown begets a frown. When you reflect on your own actions, be conscious of the subtle actions you express. For often these subtle actions have a profound effect on how one interacts with another. How often have you looked at someone and based on their expression or actions, assumed the worst? As a result, you distance yourself, creating barriers to what otherwise might have been a joyful interaction. Yes, my daughters, one's countenance is a reflection of a joy-filled spirit. Perception is the devil's tool and keeps one from expressing that which is of their higher nature. When you are among those who generate negative energy, pray for right understanding. This then is how you are able to counteract negative emotions. While I do not ask you to turn your back on others, I do ask you to look at your own emotions and whether or not these emotions produce a negative or a positive response. For in essence, it is your own emotions which influence one's behavior. When you take time to understand your own emotional response, then and only then can you alter your own behavior. Earth angels must therefore be possibility thinkers, not probability thinkers. When you base your actions on that which is probable, you distance yourselves from that which is possible through the divine. Probability thinkers disavow the miraculous, whereas possibility thinkers understand all things are possible for those who believe in Him. Do you see the difference then, my daughters? Those who live an abundant life are not probability thinkers, whereas you, my earth angels, understand how to experience a joy-filled life. When you come to the sanctuary within, I will renew your strength. I will give you the eyes to see what needs to be seen, and in doing so, you will respond in kind, exercising your higher nature. You need not concern yourselves with the actions of others, as you will respond as I would have you respond, knowing you are one with the divine. Thank you, my dear ones, for responding to my call.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 105 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, your family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your family in these times.